Hello everybody, back here EMD Automotive. I've got a Moke, a beautiful one here. Look at this, how nice this car is. Really love this car for summer. We just done an oil service. The only thing I found was I've got to address in the future is actually there's a little oil leak on the top there. I'll just replace the battery. That's a brand new battery there for warranty as well. So this is the old battery. Well, let me just pause it. There's a little bit of oil leaks from underneath. I'll show you underneath. Underneath there, just a little bit of oil leak, just tiny bit, not something very serious. But the actual selector shaft as well, there's a little O-ring and selector shaft for your selector. It's leaking a little bit of oil as well. I'll check the alternator. The alternator was charging about 13.4 volts at 1800 RPM, which is pretty good. Check all the lights. This car is pretty clean as well, so I've just got to finish putting check the oil as well. That's all done. Bit of a top up the radiator as well. Radiator right there. But this battery here was pretty. It's running about 70%. I'll get the tester and show you. So I charged the battery before. The customer charged it, but I charged it again anyway with my battery charger, just in case it will pass. But look at that, I've got a 12.9 volts. But look what happened with tester capacity. It drops down to 70%. Sorry, there. 71%. So it's not really healthy. It's on its way out. I tried to charge it again, didn't work. So I've got a brand new battery in there now, so right here. We're just pretty much done. I don't have any films, small one. I'll try tomorrow. I'm gonna try to replace the little arm tomorrow. I'll see if I have some, but otherwise I can't because it's a special little rubber. Other than that, the car is pretty good. So in the future, maybe I have to adjust a few things on the car, but not now because the customer's picking the car up tomorrow. I just have to go over the car to make sure it's safe to drive and no major issues. Make sure the brake works and everything. No leaks on the brake lines. Fuel pump's working, which is a mechanical fuel pump on this. Down there, running off the KMG. Fuel filter has been done. Alright. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.